Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a good one for you. This one's going to be pretty short. This is about salt. If you've ever watched my video about getting cramps, I will promise you, if you listen to what I'm telling you, I'm not a doctor, let's go ahead and get that out of the way right now. I have no affiliation with anybody or anything. I don't know a whole lot of medical terms or anything of that nature, but I do know what works. I have been trying for years to get rid of my night cramps, to get rid of my day cramps, and I'm gonna tell you what I've learned over the years in this video right here. It's gonna be quick and easy. You're gonna learn something, you're gonna be able to get something that is amazing that I've used repeatedly and has worked. I use it every day, and that is no lie whatsoever, guys. If you know anything about my channel, you know that everything I do, I tell you is true, at least coming from my mouth. I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you something that I don't believe in. Now, I will tell you this, all right? This particular brand right here, the Saltt brand, this is an electrolyte powder. Now, they've come out with a pretty cool thing. So if you're a coffee drinker like I am, every single morning I gotta drink coffee. Probably don't have to, but in my mind, I have to. I need that little extra boost. Well, now they've come out with this, and this has caffeine in it, and it has electrolyte powder. You get the best of both worlds. And I'm gonna tell you right now, these are some of the flavors that they've got right here. You got the blue slushy, you've got the cherry chill, and the zesty orange. And I will tell you guys, of course my favorite is always cherry, but I will tell you that if you look right here, it says electrolyte and caffeine mix. What an incredible boost. You get the best of both worlds. Now, a little backstory before you decide to buy these, because I do want to tell you a couple of things before you get this plain story right here. I want to get it over with. I want to help you guys. If you haven't watched that video, I will link that video at the end of this video in a card. When it comes up, you'll see it at the end. I have tried many drinks. I've tried all the electrolyte powders you can probably think of under the sun. This one has stood the test of time. I cannot tell you how much it's helped me. It is amazing. It has all of your electrolytes in it. Has your magnesium, has your potassium. Without those two things, muscles cramp. I'm gonna tell you right now, in the summertime, which is not summertime now here, but in the summertime, I can't even tell you. Sometimes I drink two of these, not with the one the caffeine in it, but sometimes I drink two of them because I just need that much. I sweat a lot. So, and in the end of the night when I go to bed, I have no cramps. I'm telling you, if you sit there on the couch and you're watching right now and you're looking down at your legs and you see them twitching, well, chances are you're very dehydrated or you just need some more magnesium in your body. I'm telling you, without magnesium, and you can look up all this stuff on yourself. There's many videos out there. Plenty of people talk about it. Look at Dr. Berg. He tells you all about the magnesium, but I'm gonna tell you what, I've tried his powder, I've tried all the powders. These powders right here are literally the ones that I use, and I have zero issues. All right, now good thing is, today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. When you see this video be tomorrow, which will be Friday, Black Friday, they have a buy three, get one free deal. How awesome is that, guys? How awesome is that? You can buy a 3-pack or you can buy the bags of 30. That's what I usually do. Now, I'm gonna tell you straight up, but if you're not sure, try the 3-pack first, because you may be like, it's okay. But I promise you, when you drink the first one, definitely get the cherry. Orange is good too, of course, but cherry, if you get that one, oh my gosh, bro, I'm gonna tell you straight up, you're gonna be like, what? Why did I wait so long? I'm gonna tell you straight up, best electrolyte powder I have ever used, and I cannot wait for you to come back on my channel and tell me just how good it is, because I'm telling you, it's amazing. I will leave all links down below where you can get this stuff. The code to get the buy three, get one free, can't go wrong with that one, guys. I mean, you can get 30 bags, so 30, 60, 90, plus another free one. So, or you can get 3-packs, so your choice. Try it out. If you don't like it, you're not out much. But I promise you, I promise you guys. So here's how I mix mine. I put a little bit of ice in it, a 40-ounce Yeti, and I fill it all the way full of water. I put it in there, I shake the cup a little bit so the powder goes down, and I just give it a shake, boom, and I drink it, done. Every day, religiously. Anybody who's watching my channel that knows me, especially in my class, they'll see me drinking my Yeti, and that is what I'm drinking every day. They can attest to what is in my office. Little packs that says this right here, Saltt. And I'm telling you, no cramps whatsoever. Plenty of mind focus, and you get the caffeine with these. Coffee is out of the question anymore for me. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it down here. I'm gonna leave every single thing that you need down below in the description. The code that you can use, where you can get this at, how you can shop. Let me know, give me a thumbs up if this has given you any value. Also leave me a comment down below to let me know when you try it, and if you try it, and how excited you are about it. If you hate it, let me know too, because they love feedback, guys. I have been trying these out. I've been trying these out for a while. Of course, I've been a big fan of them anyway. I've been buying them, but I've been literally trying these out, and wow, what an amazing product, guys. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here. The card that you see coming up right there, that is the very first video, one of the very first videos I made about how to alleviate cramps at nighttime. Wasn't with this stuff, but it is now. I have no problems. I'm gonna do an updated video eventually, but until then, leave me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up. Codes, everything will be in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy Friday.